Pandas. 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 I got broads in Atlanta twisting dope lean and a Fanta. Pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys are here. Welcome, welcome everybody. Good morning. Good morning. TGIF. Is it? Is it? Doesn't that just mean we won't be able to trade with each other over the weekend? Ah, it brings tears to my eyes. Good morning, guys. Thomas Masters, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. Roach Gang, good morning. Support. Yes, send the email support. They'll take care of it. Day trading, good morning. Letitia, good morning. Such a wild morning already. Yes, this price action is decent. And I want to take the second entry short, but we got to break a trend to new low. And this could be reversible. We're also off our trend line. Just a confusing thing, conflicting messages here. I'm just going to sit on my pause, wait for this to just work itself out. Also, we're looking for a new high on this move up. So I'm okay just hanging out here. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Iron Cruise, good morning. Yes, there was news at 10 o'clock as well. Or sorry, 8:30. And that's what caused this spike up here. Okay, we got a second entry short. Good signal bar coming off the 20-minute and our trend line and a lower high second entry short. It's such a good setup, Pandas, but the context right now is not calling for this. And man, don't get mad at me if it does scalp out and you skipped it because of me. Don't follow any of my advice. This is not financial advice, Pandas. This is called edutainment. Good morning, guys. Zairi, good morning. Navo, good morning. FZen, Navo says, wonder what the number is now. Yeah. TJM's great and TJ, yes, sir. Warren Wu, good morning. GC Burke, good morning. Marcos, good morning. Marco says, good morning for suppers. Mr. Panda, you look really panda today. I hope so. I hope so. I hope I look like what I am. Wayne Big, good morning. Mike Thompson, good morning. Shaka Rock, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Erp Media, good morning. Speedy Boy, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining on Bob Money. Pandas, hey, guess what? Good news, I think. we have BBM 80. We're back. We're back to BBM. We're not even going back to BBM 50. Thoughts and prayers to BBM 50. Who knows who remembers 50% off anymore? It's all about 80% off now. And this is what competition does, Pandas. This is why I love capitalism. This is why I love competition. Top Step coming in hot, saying, hey, we're tired of Apex stealing all our customers, giving a superior product. Here, we're going to respawn by giving a worse product, but still we're going to try to respond. And Apex says, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, if you think that's the best you can do, well, check this out. We're going to give 80% off now for an extended period of time. Let's go, baby. I mean, I'm not complaining, Pandas. I'm not complaining. I mean, what an opportunity for us as futures traders. This is opportunity of a lifetime. Forget cryptocurrency. Forget the new buzz. This is it, Pandas. This is it. We are here, Pandas. We are here right now. We are in the new thing. We are part of the new thing right now. Prop firms and futures trading, when people start to realize how amazing this opportunity is, you're going to see, you think this flood is huge? Like, there's a lot of people starting to jump in. It's going to be even larger. Your grandma's going to ask you, hey, Sonny, what's a prop firm? And then you're going to say, oh, grandma, let me tell you all about it. I'm telling you, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Forget trading your own money. Exactly. Who trades their own money these days? Who trades their own money? Pandas. Check out the video on the pinned message. It's a brand new, coming in hot. It is a new project I'm trying to pursue here. I'm going to try to release these every week. And this is the first one, so it took a while. But hopefully after a little bit, we can get some traction and pump these out like early on. So I'm going to try to do these weekly recaps, montages, something a little more entertaining, these small little bites. Because, you know, streams are hours long. And for a week, it's kind of hard. You miss a lot. You know, especially if you're not gonna watch. Oftentimes people just go straight to the trades, but there's so much more content here than just that. So I'm gonna try to bring some more exposure to how amazing the community is, how amazing of time we have here. Create these montages for you guys. So Harry asks, do you have a video on your chart set? Yes, you can go to my channel and just look up Ninja Trader settings. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. We're trying to produce the best content for you guys here. I'm Baba Emini, and welcome to the most profitable trader on YouTube verified. Thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for joining. Even if I was $1 up, I'll be the most profitable trader on YouTube verified. From the very beginning to now, I have documented this entire journey, this entire account from eval to PA, and hopefully to withdrawal. Hopefully to withdrawal. Let's get it, pandas. Get it. Market's about to open. We got a second entry short here. Now it's above the 20 minute, but maybe attempt a new high created. I'm going to sit on my pause here, pandas. Not sure what's going to happen. I mean, we may get a big mama. We may get big mama, but look at the daily chart, pandas. Just look at the daily chart. It's right. Look at where it bounces off. Guess where it bounces off? The 20 EMA. I mean, come on. Come on. Can you get any better than that? Can you get any more accurate than that? Let me go over my off-stream trades. I actually took 0 trades off-stream. This was my last trade, and I watched this on-stream with you guys, and I just saw that this is untradeable. And it became even more untradeable as we started grinding up all the way up. And it was just in this tight channel and just very small trading range. I mean, basically any long you bought, you could have made money, any second entry long, but the grind was so tight. I just did not feel comfortable trading this. Just imagine if this was sideways, and you saw this as a trading range, right? Just a horizontal channel. That's what trading range is, or a channel is just a tilted trading range. Just imagine if you had like a 2-point trading range, the entire like for several hours. You know, how would you feel? I just could not trade it. I just did not feel comfortable. And then got a couple, and I just basically closed the charts down. I just could not, and I'm glad I did, because this is untradeable to me. It's not something that I am comfortable with trading, and plus it felt very slow, very choppy, I just, yeah, it's not what I like to trade. But pandas, this is what I like to trade. I like to see these big swings here. Helps us improve our probability to get our scalps. Am I looking for a short trade here, pandas, with a trap trade? Are we going to begin with a trap trade here? Oof. Oof. Trap trade. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. I think I missed the boat here. I don't typically like entering trade right at the open. Okay. Okay. Skip it. Skip it. Just unsure. Too hesitant. Just gonna let it pass. Let it go. Just let it go. Just let it go, pandas. Let it go. It's okay. Just wait. Just wait. There'll be better opportunities. Just let it go. Let it go, pandas. As my hero Elsa once told me, just let it go. Oh, man. All right. I'm glad I let it go, because this is not looking pretty if you went short there. What is going on? Confusing. Confusing to say the least. We're bouncing off the 20 MA again here. Fourth push down. Decent signal bar. Sitting in my pause here, I can see we're clearly. Okay. I'm glad I sat on my pause. Those are 2 trades you could have got stopped out on. This trade here and this trade. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. 4 pushes down, creating H4 setup. Okay, now we're pushing up. Could have scalped out already if I entered a reverse outside bar reversal. Confusing. Panda, see, this is why you gotta be patient. You could have got chopped up right there already early on. I'm looking for a long trade now, if possible. If possible. The market would be so generous to give us a long trade here. Give me a failed second entry short, please. Please. That's all I ask for. A, B, C. Failed second entry short. Pandas, are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get the dream? Are we gonna get the dream? Are we gonna get the dream, pandas? Are we getting the dream? Pandas, we're in the dream. We're in the dream setup. Easy peasy, easy money. So easy. That's so easy. Trading's the easiest thing I've ever done in my entire life, pandas. Goodness. Just made a hundo. So easy. Pandas. I mean, can there be anything easier than that? It's a dream setup, pandas. It was the dream. And we got the dream. We got the dream right here. I wish I had a runner now. I wish I had a runner. That's the only thing the only thing I regret. It's not having a runner here. Darn, no runner, pandas. No runner. If this goes up forever. Ooh, I'm gonna have some FOMO. I'm definitely gonna have some FOMO. Ooh, we got another push up already. Man, I wish I had a runner now. That was a dream too. That was a dream. Some dreams turn to nightmares though, but this one didn't, pandas. Got that bamboo early. We're already up 100. Making sure the trade copier works. Okay, you have to hate it when you have amazing trade and then your trade copier for some reason was not turned on. You gotta double check it. The trade copier, tricky. But you know what? I've had a lot less issues with Replicanto. I've been using the Apex trade copier for like a year, and when I switched to Replicanto, I could immediately tell the difference of the quality of how much better it is. Like, I can't tell you how annoying it was when I entered a trade and I would just hear like beep, 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 beep. It just beep like crazy. It's just super annoying. Not only does it beep, you have to actually go and close all of these error dialogues because the Apex trade copier was not handling the trades correctly, especially when you get stopped out. And so it's super annoying. I guess you just don't get stopped out. That'd be the best thing to do. But the thing is that the Replicanto is being updated constantly. It is being maintained and supported. This company is dedicated on just this trade copier. I mean, they have other products, but they are put their focus on this trade copier.
10,000 tick trap.
Showing that they actually are trying to take care of these bugs, such as this mishandling of the the orders. So I mean, that in itself was enough for me because I was just kind of getting tired of these beeps. But I don't get them anymore. I get them for different reasons, but not for the reasons why I was getting for Apex, which I think it should be taking care of the Apex side. They need to take care of that. That is silly. But Replicanto, I mean, the 20% off if you use BBM20. So if you want to use it, take advantage of it. We got a second entry long here, pandas. Second entry long here, though. Do I like it? Not as much.
10,000 tick
this signal
trap.
bar was okay, but now this signal bar makes it worse. It's hard for me to enter because now we see the 20 EMA going down, pointing downwards. Can't go long here, but who knows? Who knows though? Could be like an overshoot. I mean, that trap was perfect. I guess at the end the runner wouldn't have done much, so I don't feel too bad, pandas. I don't feel too bad. GC says the only time I had a problem with the Apex trade copy it was when I had 2 workspaces open. Yeah, I mean that's not really a problem, quote unquote. That's actually how it's meant to be. I think Replicanto will do the same thing. That's something you should just be aware of. If you have your trade copier open on multiple workspaces, it will activate on all those workspaces. So yeah. Most 7 got tick shotted right in the tick. Unfortunate. Sorry to hear that. Man, Pandas, you thought it would fill the gap on the 5-minute chart at least. Almost there. Right, misses it by like not even a little more than a point. Man, that's rough. That's tricky. I mean, at the end, this is getting a little tricky right now. But I like I still like the price action. It's clean, right? What you want to see is a space between each swing, each leg, having good space, not having too much overlap, right? This is like overlap, lots of overlap here. But here, between the bars, it's not as much overlap. There's not that many overlapping bars, which is good if you're trying to at least, swing trade or scalp. It's good for stop limit orders, or stop orders really in general. Okay, we may fill that gap now. I would like a higher low here of some sort. We had an overshoot leading to undershoot. Okay, higher low. Why not, Pandas? Why not? Outside bar reversal. I don't like that. If it ends solid green, I'll come with retracement. Solid green, retracement if I can get it. Solid green, retracement if I can get it. I got the retracement. Solid. I didn't like the entry. I didn't like the outside bar reversal, but the solid green bar, entry bar makes me want to take this higher low second entry long. And hopefully we can get a new high here. But it's a little sus. Okay, definitely sus. Not even a little sus anymore. This is completely sus. Just kidding. It's amazing. Calculated. Calculated. Easiest trade of my life. Please. Please. Oh my God. Don't even think about reversing on me. Don't. Oh my goodness, Pandas. I'm about to skunk this trade. I'm about to skunk it. Skunking it. We're reversing. Skunking it. No! No! Skunking it. Skunking it. It reversed on me. I'm skunking it. I'm getting out if I can. Getting out if I can. Oh, you get. No! Oh, Pandas!
10,000 tick trap.
So Pandas, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm making a big triangle right now. Pandas. I hate this price action. Forget what I said. Forget everything I said in the last 5 minutes. This price action sucks. Oh man, it got me. It got me. Hey, it's okay. Move on, Pandas. Move on. You win some, you lose some. It was sus trade. It was a sus trade, Pandas. What can you say? Everyone knew that was sus. Everyone knew that was sus the moment I entered. Even I knew it was sus. Pushing up again. I have no entry here. What am I looking for at this point? I mean, as long as we're in this triangle, you're thinking you should sit on your pause until this triangle's resolved. You want to break out in one way or another, or have a failed breakout. Like even if the breakout, you still want to wait for a little bit, and maybe a failed breakout, and it might reverse there. Might get a second entry long here. You know what? I was married to the premise, Pandas. I was married to the premise that we're gonna try to fill this gap. I still am looking at that. Second entry long. Okay. I may want to take this, Pandas. If I can get filled here, I may want to take this. Silly trade. Perhaps. Perhaps a silly trade here.
10,000 tick trap.
Oof. No, I don't like it. I'm skipping it. As long as we're in this triangle, I'm a little worried. I'm basically banking on a breakout at this point. Now, I don't really trade breakouts. It's not that it's a bad strategy. It's just I don't do it. It's just I don't do it. I could do it, but I don't do it. I'm down $33, pandas. Sad day. Okay, I'll take it. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. If you give me a trap, I'll take it. You got me with the trap. If you give me a trap, I'll take it. You know what? I'll really take it. I'll go and... Oof, never mind. Ooh. Ooh. Oof. Good thing I didn't take that long. I'm a genius. I'm a genius, pandas. I skipped it. I skipped it. I skipped it. I skipped it. That's what... Patience pays. Or patience doesn't make you lose money. How about that? Pandas. Man. So Harry says, do I trade MES or ES? I trade ES. Yeah, Kyle, GC says, sometimes you gotta skunk with a small loss. I should have. Okay. Interesting. Curious. 5-minute chart. Literally making a triangle, right? OII pattern. It's a triangle on the smaller time frames. It's in breakout mode. Whatever side it breaks out on the inside bar. So this creates another inside bar. If it breaks to the downside or upside, that's the direction the market will most likely go. Oof. Oof. We're just building up here. We see this triangle. Everyone knew that trade was sus. Why didn't you guys stop me? I thought you guys were my friends.
10,000
Why did you
tick
stop me
trap.
from entering? Friends don't let other friends do dumb trades. Come on. All right. Lower high here. I have a close eye on the 5-minute chart. I think the 5-minute chart is going to give us the direction we need to go. Right? We have the OII pattern here. OII pattern. So whichever direction the inside bar breaks out of or gets broken, that's the direction we're going to try to go. The only problem is that typically the risk is large. The risk is large. The risk you have to hold is large. But the reward can be good. Can be good if you do it right. Really sus right now. Really sus. What's going on? I would adjust this triangle now to fit these wicks here. Okay, we're pushing up. Pushing up kind of strong. This will be breaking the range on the inside bar, right? The 5-minute chart, right? I go like this and I sell down here. I buy up here, sell down here. This is my setup right now. So whichever side it breaks is the direction we're going to try to go. I would love a setup also on the 5-minute chart. That'd be great. If we can get a setup that aligns on the 2000 tick chart, then that would be even better. Even better for us. More confluence. So the 5-minute chart, this is Albrook setup, OII pattern. It's a breakout mode, and we're going to take out whatever direction the inside bar breaks out of. Albrook setup. We have news at 10 maybe, but it's not high impact news at least. The only high impact news is we have BBM 80% off. Highest impact news you can possibly imagine. I'm in this trade. Try to scalp out here if I can. Typically you need more than this because your risk is quite large, right? Your risk now is all the way down here. That's your risk. And typically you want to make a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio on any trade, especially on a trade like this. We'll go for a 1-to-half.
10,000 tick trap.
So Albrook setup here. We may get a trap trade here. I kind of like this trap trade as well. We'll go in double position here with a trap. Finding some conflict. Ooh, okay. It's an outside bar reversal. I'll come with a tracement now if I can. You're thinking it'll fill the gap here. Right? Here's a gap on the 5-minute chart being filled. It's right on it right now. Let's see if we can get it. No longer interested in this trade. Already makes a 2-point scalp. I'm gonna try to fill that gap, pandas. It's the most clear price target for me, and I'm gonna just try to get it. It looks good right now. I can get a risk-free trade by putting my stop loss here now, right? This is a risk-free trade now because no matter what, I'll make money. Even if it's one tick, I'll make money here regardless. So I can protect my capital by doing this, but also reduce my probability of getting this successful scalp. What's more important to me, to get the scalp or to protect my profits? I think I want the profits here. I think it's such a clear target, the 5-minute chart. That gap, filling that gap right now. It's right on the line, but here's a gap right here. See this line here? That is the gap, and I think it's just a clear target we're gonna try to hit. And I don't mind risking all this just to get that gap. I don't think it's. I think it's such a high probability it's worth it. Okay, we're missing it by half a point. Super frustrating if this reverses on me. That'd be very frustrating, pandas. Like, beyond frustrating. Like, I would be upside down. I'd be so tilted. I'd be upside down. Oh, man, if this reverses, pandas.
10,000 tick trap.
If this reverses, pandas, I'm gonna... Woo! That's gonna be wild if this reverses here. I hope not, pandas. I hope not. I could have protected some bamboo already. But, I mean, you got to fill that gap. And you got to stay strong. You got to stay strong, right, pandas? You got to stay strong. You got to have diamond cojones. It's not even diamond paws. Your cojones have to be made out of diamonds. Pure, natural, pressurized diamonds. Ugh. Ooh. I mean, come on. Come on. We're so close. Okay. That's good. That's a good sign. Diamond cojones. Diamond cojones. One tick away. One tick. Diamond cojones. Come on. Diamond cojones. Tickling. Tickling. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy money. 5-minute chart, OII pattern, breakout, and we got that bamboo. Hope that makes sense, right? On the smaller time frame, the 2000 tick chart is a smaller time frame than a 5-minute chart, and you can see that we made a triangle. Essentially, that's what it looks like on the 5-minute chart, right? OII pattern is a triangle on a smaller time frame. 10,000 tick chart's a little harder to see, but yeah, that triangle is still there, essentially, and it breaks to the upside. We got more than just 2 points, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We could have got more from there, but for me, I just saw the 5-minute gap, and that was my target. Ooh, the 5-minute actually might make a big mama on the 5-minute chart, pandas. Should we take big mama on the 5-minute? Big mama 5-minute? Give me a 1 in the chat if we should take a big mama on the 5-minute chart. Give me a 1 in the chat if you guys want to see a big mama on the 5-minute. Let's go! Big Mama, 5. I'm only doing 2 contracts though. You really want me to do a max contracts trade? That's I don't want to blow my account that easily. I just don't want to blow it for no reason. It's 35 contracts. Ooh, Big Mama. It looks a little overextended. No, pandas. Should I not take it? Should I not take it on the 5-minute? It looks a little scary, a little overextended at this point. 5-minute chart, Big Mama. Ooh. The Big Mamas look different on the 5-minute chart because only the regular trading hours are charted on the 5-minute. And, hey, we'll see if it works. We'll see if, maybe I'm just being really impatient here. But we're only doing 2 contracts. It's not the end of the world, pandas. We'll take it. Doing it for the content. This tells so many things about this tells me no. So many things tell me no, but my heart says yes. But my heart says yes, pandas. You gotta follow your heart sometimes, you know? You just gotta follow your heart. It's a really bad trade. I'll just say that. I need more diamond cojones. Woo! Oh man. I don't know about this, pandas. Everything tells me no. But my heart says yes. Everything says no, but my heart says yes. Yeah. Pandas. Pandas. Hey, risk-free trading, right? Risk-free trading. What do we have to lose? Just lose some fees. That's it. No problem. No problem. What do we got to lose? What do we have to lose here? I'm so nervous. Oh my. The reason why I'm nervous is because I really haven't back tested Big Mamas only on the 5-minute with regular trading. I've only tested it with the full chart. So this is literally I'm following my heart right now. That's it. That's it. I like the pullbacks. I'll tell you that much. I like the pullbacks. The pullbacks are nice. The pullbacks are nice. You wanted to pull back a little bit here. I don't mind the pullbacks. I don't mind the pullbacks. Okay, this is why you gotta wait for the Big Mama to trigger. You cannot front run it. You cannot front run it. There's something that happens at that level.
10,000 tick trap. Okay.
So this is, we'll skip it. If it never hits, it doesn't hit. It is what it is. Pull back a little bit here. You're wondering now, are the 5-minute traders always in long? We got 2 bull bars above 20 MA, but it's not a good bull bar. It's like a hammer. It has a long wick. It's not the best bar to be like, all right, I think we're always in long. It's not the most confident. But you got to wonder if 5-minute traders 5-minute bulls are always in long now. I think this next bar could help us. Bible says enter on bar 5 using bar 4. Bar 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. Big Mama. Give me a second entry long, I'll take it. I'll just take the natural second entry long. I would love that. Just give me a second entry long. That's a better setup. Just give me the second entry long, that'd be great. A, B, C, just a second entry long, please. That would be amazing. Everything about this trade, honestly, when you trade, it's like a relationship. It's like, it's bad, but sometimes you just gotta stay in. You know, there's so many metaphors with relationships when it comes to trading. Trust me, this one is definitely toxic. This one is definitely toxic. Pablo said he loved the montage. Yeah, hey, watch the montage. Hopefully, it can provide some good content for you guys. I think entertainment is something beneficial to the community to let people know that we can have fun while trading, and I think it's all a benefit. So hopefully it's helpful. It's helpful for you guys. It takes a lot of resources to make those videos. So just letting you know. Just letting you know. And if you love it, share it. If you really love it, share it. Share it. That'll be great. That's like one of the best things you can do to support this channel. Sharing, like actually sharing with groups, saying, hey, look at this panda making dumb trades. Share it with other groups. You can do it with your friends. I think that's that's one of the best things you can do to support this channel. We're gonna try to take it to the new level. We're gonna try to make trading not about just. We're gonna try to take it to the next level. If you know what I'm saying, we're gonna try to take it to a new level, a different level. We're gonna try to make it consumable for the masses.
10,000 tick trap.
Oof. I mean, I would love the second entry long here, pandas. I mean, come on, second entry long. Ugh. I think it's gonna trigger with that second entry long, which could hurt me, because it might create the second entry long after it triggers, or not the second entry long, but it might create a pullback. Ooh, this is dumb. I'll tell you this right now. I do not feel good about this trade, but hey, you gotta listen to your heart sometimes. You gotta just listen to your heart. We're taking with 2 contracts. It's not the end of the world if it doesn't work. I think it's worth trying here for the content. Whew. Sometimes you gotta listen to your heart. Everything about this says no, but my heart says yes. Montage Mondays, I love it, Toad Man. Yeah, I'm gonna try to pump it out by Monday if I can. This was the first one, so it took a while. It took about but hopefully I can get like a flow going where you guys can look forward to the montage. So if you missed a stream, I know a lot of people, if you watch the stream, what you guys do is you probably just go straight to the trades. It's like, okay, like I see his account balance, it changed. Let me find out where it changed, and I can watch the trade. But with the montage, you'll miss so many moments, so many great moments we have on stream that that cannot be captured just in the trades. And so hopefully the montages can help those who can't maybe join the stream or just love watching the stream, but or maybe not paying as much attention. I don't know, whatever the reason, but hopefully it'll be helpful for those. It's just consumable bites we want to have, because the streams are so long. They're hours long, and there's 5 days a week, it's just, you can't just sit there and watch all of them. So this kind of, in a sense, makes it just way more consumable. Dante says, anyone know how to get rid of that stupid heart? That heart is one of the dumbest design and functional features they've added on YouTube. It legitimately blocks chat. It blocks some of the words. People are pressing it now. It literally, I can't even pin messages. Like the latest message I can't even pin because that heart is in the way, and it expands to like 5 other emoticons that no one uses. It's just one of the worst design features I've ever seen. I don't know who said this was a good idea. Get rid of that heart. That heart is the dumbest thing ever. You guys are spamming it now. Never using it until I say how much I hate it. Now you guys are using it like crazy. Thank you for that. It's the worst. All right, we're in Big Mama Pandas, and it's not looking good. No, I got shot in the tick. Right in the tick, it got me, and it just wham reversed on me. All right, lesson learned. Never take the Big Mama on the 5-minute alone. It's not good. It's not good. Lesson learned, pandas. Just wham, right in the tick. I'm getting tick shotted here. For sure. I'm getting tick shotted here. I almost want to skunk this right now, but just because we have the 20 EMA potentially providing support for us, I'm going to leave it. But man, I feel like I got shot right in the tick. got punched right in the tick, and
10,000 tick trap.
yeah, yep, shot right in the tick. My just good thing I have diamond cojones, because even get shot in the tick, hopefully. This is not looking good, pandas. This is not looking good. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna do that again. I'm just saying, I don't think I'm gonna do. Oh, pandas. Just kidding. You thought that was a bad trade, but could be the greatest trade ever. Possibly. We are closing above the 20 MA still, showing me that the 20 MA is still relevant, still acting as support. I can just take it for a small loss if I really don't like it. But now we're closing above 20 MA. I have some confidence here. My diamond cojones deflected the bullets, shot right in my tick, and now we are just stressed. We're stressed. Feeling the heat. This is one of those trades you guys just it's grueling, and you just got to get it through. Got to grind through it. Man, look at that. Look at this candle. How small can a candle be? Can a candle be any smaller than that? It's not even a point large. What's going on, pandas? Second entry long. Should I just take the second entry long for what it is? I'll take the reversal. Maybe I'll take this. Maybe I'll take the reversal. I won't take the second entry long, but I'll take the reversal, because the second entry long does work. I feel like, you know, Big Mama will just work. But if it reverses, and I might get out of Big Mama and reverse this entire trade. I might just do that. If we get a second entry long, I might look for a failure instead. If it doesn't take me out before then. Jeez, this looks terrible. Ooh, this looks bad, pandas. This looks bad. Feeling the heat. Okay, hey, pandas. Second entry long. Second entry long here. Second entry long. It's an outside bar reversal. It's a hidden second entry long. Now if it reverses here, it's actually a trap trade. It's a hidden trap trade. Goodness, how confusing can this be? Okay, second entry long triggers. I'm out of this trade here, pandas. And I'm in fact reversing it if we do get a trap here. I'm in fact reversing it if we get a trap here. And that's my final decision. Final decision. If we reverse here, I'm getting out of my trade and reversing my trade. I hope it triggers beneath the 20 MA if it does reverse here. Oof, that's a hard trade to reverse. If it triggers above the 20 MA, it's not a setup for me. It's not a setup for me. Jeez, it looks like it's reversing though. That is a trap reversal, pandas. But it's not one I take. It is not one I take though. That is a trap reversal. It's not one I take. I'm gonna just do this regular. It's not a trap reversal I take. It's above the 20 MA. It has to be beneath the 20 MA. But that is a trap reversal, and it may get me here because of that. That hurts. Yeah, that looks strong. I think traders are flooding in now. I think shorts are flooding in. I should just get out of this trade, huh? But my diamond cojones. This is what happens when you listen to your heart. Pandas, the moral of the story is the heart is deceitful.
10,000 tick trap.
The heart is deceitful, pandas. Oh my. What a dumb trade. That was a dumb. Hey, oh. Pandas. Pandas. There's hope. There's hope. So you're saying there's still a chance. So what you're saying is there's still a chance. I'll take the trap. Double trap here. I'll take the double trap, pandas. I'll do it. I'll take the double trap. Double trap trade. Right, this trap fails. Reverses. I'll take the double trap. Just as a regular trade, pandas. Oof, I'm in this trap. Double trap trade. And this one is just going for a scalp, and we're just using the regular risk reward here. Using the signal bar. We got trap going towards Big Mama. That's always a good sign. I'm feeling the heat though. Still feeling the heat. Technically, 1, 2, 3, 4. Technically, my oh pandas. Okay, this is so weird. Technically, my stop loss should be down here. Technically, my stop loss is 5 points here. Should I just do it for the entire thing? It's gonna be big pain here if I do this. It's a silly trade. Now I'm just gonna stop that. I'm gonna stop that early, and I'm probably gonna stop out for the entire trade now. We got lower high setup now. Better for the bears. Am I gonna tick shot it here? Am I gonna tick shot, double tick shot? I mean, how many bullets can my cojones take? I mean, I know I got diamond cojones, but how many bullets can I take? Truly. I lost on that trade. That's a 2.5 point trade. Yikes. I just took that trade as normal as a failed double trap. Now we're getting so choppy. It's probably gonna stop me out and then blast upwards. Watch. Second entry long. We're underneath the 20 minute. 20 minute starting to curl down now. I think we're in a downtrend now, pandas. I think we have shown that we are not going to really push higher. It might be one of those take me out by the tick and then shoot upwards. It could be one of those situations, pandas, which sucks, but it is what it is. I gotta take the stop loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, taking my 5 point stop loss if it hits. All right, I'm gonna attempt this again here, pandas. I'm gonna attempt it here. Attempt it again one more time here, and this will be my last attempt to go long. It looks bearish though. Like I shouldn't be going long here. I should look for a trap trade. All right, I think that's it. That might be my last life. Oof, oof. Dumb trade, pandas. Don't follow your heart. That's today's moral of today's story. Pandas, do not follow your heart. The heart is deceitful above all things. Oh my pandas. Oh pandas, pandas, pandas. If this shoots me in the tick. Woo! Pandas. If it ticks me here and ticks me here.
10,000 tick trap.
I mean, I must have a gift. I must have a gift. I must have a gift. If it actually reverses here, pandas, I have a gift. I truly have a gift today. Oh my god. If this reverses here, I have a gift that no man has ever had. Perfectly get stopped out in the market every single time. Boom and boom. How is that possible, pandas? Pandas, no way. No way. This is not happening. Pandas. That is not happening right now. That is not happening. That is not happening right now. I almost in a sense wanted to push down harder just so I know that I didn't get ticked out right there. Tick shot. Oof. Pandas. If this reverses here, oh my god. Oh my god. I don't like any setups here though whatsoever. So even if it does reverse, can I take this long underneath the 20 MA? Maybe bottom of the trading range, coming back to the top of the... Oh, pandas. Pandas. If this tick shots me, I'm already on tilt. I mean, this has to be a gift, right? This has to be a gift. I mean, you guys must be like astonished. You guys are probably wondering, how does Panda do that? That is absolutely amazing. How does he get stopped out to the tick like that perfectly? How does he call this perfectly? Oh my god. If this reverses up here at this point in time, Pandas. Pandas. I don't know what's worse. I don't know what's worse. I definitely know what's worse. It's worse. I mean, I don't know what's worse. If my premise was kind of correct, but takes me up by the tick perfectly, or if my premise is completely wrong, this just reverses. I do not know what's worse. Oh man, this is. Whoo! I mean, I could have came out break even at least, yeah. I mean, there's no way I was gonna take more than 5-point stop loss there. There's no way. Should I have? I don't think so. 5 points is still, it's pretty large. On a sus trade? Down almost 500. Not 500. Not quite yet 500. It's okay, pandas. It's okay. We're within our range of tolerance here. It's okay. Now I know, pandas, never to take that trade again. Now I know, right? That in the long, as long as we're getting better, pandas. As long as we're getting better. Just, it's just you gotta think long term. 10 years from now, I'm not gonna remember the time I got tick shotted perfectly on both sides. There's no way I'm gonna remember that. There's no way I'm gonna remember that the market shot both my diamond cojones. Boom, boom. Shot them both off. Oh my god. I'm not gonna remember that for 10. It's about progress, pandas. It's about getting better. That's what's important. It's okay, I'm down 500. It's, as long as we're getting better, pandas. That's all that matters. Whew! It's frustrating. Now it's going up. It's actually going up. It's actually going up, pandas. I almost want to try this again. I almost want to attempt this again. If I get a setup here. This could be just a straight up trading range as well. I mean, it looks choppy. Oh. Whew. Pandas. I mean, is it possible that someone can call the market so perfectly? I don't think so. Can anyone be this accurate in terms of losing? I mean, that has to be a gift, right? That has to be worth mentioning. Just how amazingly accurate I can be in losing. I did that on purpose. I don't know what's happening here, Pandas. This is going completely sideways at this moment. I almost want to tempt Big Mama again on the 5-minute. Just because I'm silly. Hey, let's be silly. Let's be silly. Just because, well, you could just say I'm tilted. AKA I'm tilted. Whoo, pandas. That's wild. That's wild right now. I'm taking Big Mama again. I don't even care. Second entry long, maybe on the 5-minute chart. Look at this. Perfect range trading here. I should just go long here, huh? I should really just go long here at this point, pandas. I should go long here on the 5-minute chart. Just go long anywhere. Get back into the range. Limit order market. Psych! This is dropping like a rock. Okay, pandas. You know what? I don't feel as bad anymore, right? Because look at this. It doesn't even get back up to the original Big Mama. I might have came out break even if I scaled in one more time. But I don't think I'm scaling in one more time there. I'm just letting it go. I just take the hit and it goes down. And it's just part of the plan, right? That's kind of like part of the plan. And part of the plan is you gotta lose well. And right there, I mean, can you think of a more graceful loss? I don't think so. I mean, is there a more graceful loss than that? I don't think so. I was completely calm, never tilted. You know, I just took it on the chin, didn't complain about it, was not frustrated. It's just, you know, part of trading, and I know what it is. That's why I don't get frustrated. That's why I don't get frustrated like you guys. Look at this reversal. Whew. All right, pandas. What's going on here? This is wild. This is wild. Getting wild now. It's absolutely getting wild. We could just reverse big time here. Bouncing off that level. Right? I called the top, basically. Okay. I see. Got me right at the tick. Tick shotted me. Reversed on me. Real bad. But it's all good. Because I took the minimum loss. I took it. I just took the hit. Moved on. Moving on, pandas. Moving on. Now I know. Now I know. Stick to the plan. See, that's what happens, stick to the plan, pandas. Weird things happen like that. Oftentimes, the apex of the triangle gets tested. If I drew a line through the apex of this triangle, oftentimes the market will come back down to it. Because the market loves apexes. Apexes are a funny thing. They do great things for us. And this apex here is no different. See this apex? This apex here? I'm just trying to do subliminal message to you guys. I'm confused, Panda. I just don't know what's happening. I mean, it looks like a downtrend now. It looks like it reversed here. But are we in a trading range? Am I looking for a second entry short is the question. I don't know, pandas. Am I looking for a second entry short here? Are we in trading range price action, or are we in trending price action is the first question you got to ask. And that question is actually hard to answer. I mean, does this look trending? I mean, we did have a move up. We're coming back down to the apex of this triangle. Sometimes I like it when the second entry doesn't even show up, because now it's an easy decision, which is no decision. Right? It's easy to see. Okay, first entry. I don't know if I necessarily like. I kind of want to take Big Mama now. If it happens again on 5 minute, I can consider it. Because this is not necessarily showing me that, if anything, it's just showing me that they want to test the apex of this triangle. That's all I wanted to do. I'm gonna try to tempt Big Mama again here. We'll bring redemption to Big Mama on the 5 minute. Higher low second entry long, but not interested. I'm just confused at exactly what's happening here. Is this a breakdown? and it will continue to go downwards, or are we going to reverse here? It's a big question, and we're beneath the 20 MA, so it looks like it's trying to go down, but yeah, it's hard to say. Maybe with a nice signal bar on the second entry short, I may take it, but tricky. Pure Justice Bulls regrouping. Yep. Nasir. Toronto says apply support resistance trend lines 2 leggies. I think I'm finally on the right track. Let's go, baby. Nasir says I need to dig deep down in my spiritual self. Just blow out another account. Is that how you dig deep? Nasir says I have fallen into a circle of buying accounts and blowing them out. Looks like you need more time in the lab. Our crew says there's a fair value gap between 446 and 443. It looks like it's filling. All the orders sitting there. I like that process turtle. Okay. High or low, second entry long. Like I mentioned, I'm not interested in this. It's just not clear, no clear direction here. It'll be a wild guess. It'll be a wild guess. It makes sense to go short, to be honest. It makes sense to go short here if I get a second entry short. Just because you're looking for a new low at this point. I mean, you got a decent push down. I mean, that's a pretty strong push down. It's a classic second entry short that you should take. With a really nice signal bar, it'd be hard to skip this. If this has a good signal bar, it'd be hard to skip. I won't, hit no cap. Not gonna lie. Okay, the signal bar is not that good. So I'm not too tempted to take a short here. So that's a good thing. Even if the trigger is not, I'm not so tempted. The risk is not too large, but the shape and how it closes, it's not good. It's not a good signal bar in general. And I mean, it makes sense to go short here, but man, I mean, better signal bar would be better. All right, trigger, second entry short. Makes complete sense to go short here. Just a bad signal bar. So we're skipping it. Can't even go long either. Can't really go long either. Can't go long. Can't go short there. Setup's not there. And it is what it is. If that was a nice signal bar, I would definitely be tempted to go short there. It looks like it wants to scalp out though. It always looks like it's gonna do the thing that you don't want it to do. Like, I don't want this to work out because I'm skipping it. But it always feels like it's doing the thing you don't want it to do. Ooh. Okay, not anymore. All right, good skip. I think it's a good skip. I'll be sweating right now. I'd be sweating if I was short there. Signal bar saves the day. Signal bar saves the day for us. I think. I mean, this still could work out. Technically, your stop loss is up here. It'll be a second entry long on the higher time frames, 10,000 tick chart and the 5-minute chart. Again, we're just looking for new low though after this big move down. Tough. Wow, look at this. Price action has just turned really terrible here. We've got a trading range straight up right now. And it's very small, so untradeable. Wow, what is happening here? That's wild. It looks like a trading range. Anything you gotta buy, you gotta sell with a limit order here. But the range is so small, untradeable. It makes sense for a new low to be created here. It makes absolute sense for that to happen, but the market sometimes doesn't make sense. Whew. You would still be okay in this trade, right? Because your stop loss is up here if you took this short. Technically, you're still okay. Technically. Here shows it skipped it because of the EMA. Okay. All right, we're going down now. We're dripping. 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 Dripping hard. Making that new low finally. Jeez, I mean, it made sense to go short. It's just the setup. The setup was not there. It made complete sense to go short there. Making that new low now. As expected. Coming to the apex of this triangle. Jeez, I mean, I wanted to go short, but at the end, I'm glad I didn't. It is what it is. Tough. Confusing. It would have worked out at the end, but man, that's scary. Luffy Cutter says, guys, I can't understand the trailing threshold. This is the chance for the chat to tell Luffy how the trailing threshold works. Try your best to explain to Luffy. How does the trailing threshold work? What is like a simple way to explain the trailing threshold? All right, pandas. I mean, I got nothing here. I may just be down 500 on stream, which sucks, but it is what it is, pandas. We just tested the apex of this triangle. Right on the apex. We make it a true big mama down here, but that's far. Man, the real big mamas are far away. Edwin Cruz says, as you go up, threshold moves up behind your profit. It trails your account high. The threshold is always a specified amount from your highest equity amount. That is a really, that's like, you're basically explaining it to a 5-year-old. Like if you told that to a 5-year-old, they would completely understand that. It's like an office. Now explain it as if I was a 4-year-old. Or what do you say? It says something like that. Like explain it to me as if I was 3. NJ got it. Yep. So on my Rhythmic, you can see on the top left of your screen, there's an auto threshold limit. And that I put it up there so you guys can see what my threshold is and when it like if it ever hits. That's the lowest my account can ever go, unrealized or realized. Saturn Return says, rough day today. That higher low earlier burned me. Then I doubled up with the second entry long after. At least a failed second entry long worked out to help me kind of cope. Okay. Hey, you're probably doing better than me. Oh, Iron Cruz has a very, very simple explanation. It says, in its simplest form, the threshold value can be thought of as a point on a scale. When a variable or measurement exceeds or falls below this point, a certain action response is triggered. I mean, that is the easiest and simple response. If you really want to know what the trailing threshold is, this should be the official definition. I'm pushing down hard now. Downtrend, reversed. And I hit it perfectly, pandas. I did it. I called that perfectly, pandas. That was me. That was me buying your shorts. Buying your things. You're welcome, institutions. You're welcome. You took my short. Or you took my contract and you dragged it down. You're welcome. I mean, this guy still has no idea what a trailing threshold is. Laofi thought he can come here getting answers. He got more questions. David Wall says, trailing threshold. The highest your balance has been, the number your trailing threshold is equals where you'll blow your account. Dante Matthews got that cup and handle. Okay, so we got a break a trend new low created here. Laufey, you still there? Hey, Laufey. Give me a 1 in the chat. Give me a high in the chat if you're still there. If you're still there, I'll explain what trailing threshold is. I'll take some time on stream because these guys on chat are absolute no help. They are completely useless. Alright, this is what trailing threshold is. Trailing threshold, you got to understand the concept of unrealized gains and realized gains. Unrealized gains are gains that you make on your account regardless if you close your position or not. So for instance, if you're in a trade and you have, right, let's say your take profit is at $100, but the market goes up one single point, which makes it $50, and then let's say you just come out at break even. You say, I don't like to trade, come out break even. that $50, that unrealized gains, that is counted in your trailing threshold. It's the highest amount your account has been realized or unrealized. So it doesn't matter if you actually made that money. Let's say like you're in a big swing and you made like $1,000 on a trade, but you never realized it. Like the market went up 20 points and you made $1,000, but you never actually got out of the trade, and it comes all the way back down and you come out break even. You actually had gained $1,000 in trailing threshold, right? Your account balance unrealized hit 1,000. So the trailing threshold accounts for the unrealized gains. That's probably the most difficult concept to understand about the trailing threshold. Everything else is pretty much straightforward. So whatever the highest amount your account has been unrealized or realized, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is that number is used to calculate your trailing threshold. So let's say for the 50K account, your trailing threshold is 2,500. If your trade went up 1,000, but at the end of the trade you came out with $0, then your trailing threshold is 1,500. I hope that makes sense. If you're still confused, you gotta just go to the Apex website and watch the videos. There's videos about explaining as best as can. Phoenix, welcome back. Phoenix, welcome back. Hey Phoenix, Phoenix, email me. Can you email me your email? You can email me at support@twoleggedpullback.com. Can you email me your email? I wanna have a chat. You're not in trouble. I know that sounds scary. Let's talk. Thanks, appreciate it. I was wondering if I can get your help on something. Someone asked, how many contracts should you trade on your 50K account? To be honest, you should be trading micros on your 50K accounts, right? The general rule of thumb is for every contract, you should have $5,000 of margin. So that means that if you have the 50K account, your trailing threshold is only 2,500, which means you only have half the amount that you really need. Once you get your account balance up to 5,000, then you could trade one Emini contract. But if you are not up to that point, the smart thing to do is to trade up to 5 micros. But I know all of you guys, pretty much every single one, 99% of you guys are too impatient to trade micros. So what you're gonna do is just screw it. I'm trading minis, and if you're gonna do that, then trade only one mini. That's really as much as that account can handle. Yeah, Nava. Actually, the general rule of thumb is for every E-mini, you should have 10K of margin. That's actually the general rule of thumb. That's calculated because on any trade, you're willing to pretty much lose about $200. And the general rule of thumb is never risk more than 2% of your account on any trade. And so your margin should be about 10,000 because 2% of 10,000 is 200. So that's the amount of risk I take on any trade. I risk about $200 max on any trade. But for me, I'd say, well, let's say instead of risking only 2%, I'm going to risk 4%. And that's just my risk tolerance. But general rule of thumb, to be the most conservative people typically say, don't risk more than 2% of your account. Hansman, can I email? Sure, you can email me if you want. We could be pen pals. Fail second entry short is what I'm looking for, pandas. I'm cranking it. I don't even care. I'm tilted. Fail second entry short. Give it to me. Give me that fail second entry short. Break a trend new low. It needs to give me the setup first. I need a fail second entry. Or I need a second entry if it needs to fail. The only way it can fail is it needs to trigger the second entry first. So second entry short. And if that reverses, it fails. That's a trap trade I want to take here. I'm on tilt. I don't care. Okay, my setup's not there, Pandas. I actually needed to trigger first. If it doesn't trigger, I can't take it. If I'm really eager to go long here, then I could just buy here. But I like to wait for my setups. There's too many times where I try to enter a trade early and I should have just waited for the setup. It's too many times that has happened to me, and it's just like singed into my brain where it's like
10,000 tick
of
trap.
saying if I just waited, it would have worked out. Or if I just waited, I would have never entered this trade. That pain, that is singed into my heart, and I cannot ignore that feeling. So I'm gonna skip it. It looks good. It looks good for a long trade, but I would like to wait for my actual setup, and it is what it is. That's what being patient is. Hansman says, fail second entry long on the 5-minute and 10K. That's true. I do see that too. I do see that too. And if those traps trigger, then definitely a short. Definitely short bias. But those traps have not triggered yet. Just waiting here, Pandas. Got nothing. Got absolutely nothing here. What a dumb trade I took up here, Pandas. That is like the I almost had no reason. The moral of the story: don't follow your heart in trading. That is the moral. Follow your plan. That I was trying to teach you guys a lesson. You're welcome. I lost almost $500 to teach you guys a lesson, to help you guys. So you're welcome. You guys owe me $500. Curiosity Cabin coming with a really crude comment here. Out of nowhere. Sorry. I'm putting you in timeout. I don't know why you would do that. I'm just putting you in timeout. I just think you're a little weird, but if you do that again, you're just banned. Pandas, do you want to see how tilted this panda can get? You guys actually want to see how tilted this panda can get? If this trap triggers, I'm taking the trap.
5-minute trap.
I'm taking the trap. This trap triggers. If this trap triggers, I'm taking this trap. Which trap prevails? We shall see. Phoenix says, I passed 3 evals today. 50k apex. It had been a struggle. But looking forward to the future. Let's go, baby. Hey, congratulations. How tilted can this panda be is the question. We will answer that question right now. We shall answer that question right now, pandas. How tilted can a panda get? How tilted can a panda get? We'll answer that question right now. We got a trap trade here, break a trend new low. Decent looking signal for the trap. It doesn't look good on the 5-minute chart, to be honest. It does not look good on the 5-minute chart at all. But I was waiting for the setup for a long time. Feels like I entry short here. Coming off the 20 MA as well. in this trade, Panis. You never like it right when it enters a trade. Whoa. Alright, I haven't heard that in a long time. I gotta make sure everything's good. I haven't heard that in a long time. Okay, I think we're okay. Replicanto. Still causing problems. That was weird. Oh, you know why? Because I attached it to my indicator. That's why. The indicator messed that up. I get it. I got it. I got you. It was still attached to the indicator. I was trying to move it, the indicator. I'm tilted. I want to take more from this. I should just take the scalp. But I want more than the scalp right now. What should I do? Maybe I'll just do a 1-to-1. I'll take a little bit more. I'll do a 1-to-1 on the main portion. It's a little more than 2 points. It's 2.5 points here on the main portion. It's moving very slowly. On trap trades, you want it to like blast off. It's not blasting off, and by any means. It is doing the opposite. It's like stalling. It's like a rocket ship that's about to. It's like space. It's like the most recent SpaceX launch. Just slowly going up, about to explode.
10,000 tick trap.
That's not good. That is not good. That's not the follow through you're looking for on a trap trade. If it breaks the high here, that'd be great. But if it doesn't, that's not good news. That is not good news if this reverses here. That's bad news for us. I usually come out break even by this point because if a trade reverses, I usually don't like that sign. I don't stay in. I typically don't like to stay in, but I'm going to stay in for this one because Diamond Cojones. Diamond Cojones and last trade of the stream, of the week. So let's just see what happens. We had that trap trade. I think it's a decent trap trade too. Break a trend, new low. Coming back up here. And if it doesn't work, then it's just one of those tricky days. Really tricky days. It is what it is. I'll lean into this if we get another trigger here. It's a solid bear bar though. I don't like that. I don't like going long in after this bear bar. If anything, I should come up break even at this point.
5-minute trap.
Well, pandas. We got Diamond Cojones. Diamond Cojones. Do I have any more cojones left is a question. Do I even have any cojones left? They got shot off. They got blown off by the tick here. Okay, we're pushing back up to break even. I can come out and skunk this trade if I wanted to at this point. But hey, for the content, we'll stay in here. For the content, pandas. For the content. I typically would get out of the trade by now because if it reverses, I just don't like it. I think there's just better trades to look forward to, and it is what it is. But for the content, pandas, we'll stay in this. We're doing a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio here. If we get a nice solid green bar here, I may lean into this. I need a solid green bar here, and I'll lean into it. What the slowness? Ugh. It's not that good. I'm okay. Skip it. I'm already hesitant enough on this trade. I can come up break even at any point. But content. Let's get this up. Come on, pandas. Push! Push! We need to get it through here. Break this high. We're in good shape. No. No. No, 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 no. That's the wrong way. That is the wrong way. That's the wrong way, sir. Sir, that is the wrong way. The right way is the other way. Sir, excuse me. That is the wrong way. Sir, excuse me. Excuse me, that is definitely the wrong way. Yes, a 20 EMA. Yes, nice to meet the 20 EMA here again. I know you like the 20 EMA. I know you want to say hi once again, but I think the 20 EMA is tired of you and wants you to get away from him. It's 20 EMA saying, get away from me. I've already met you 1, 2, 3 times. And yeah, it's time to just say farewell to the 20 EMA. Hopefully to the upside. Pandas. I think we still have a chance. Ah, it hurts knowing I can come out break even at any point in time. But content. Whoo! Content. I break the high. If we break the previous candle's high, I think we're in good shape. That's all I'm looking for right now. That's all I'm looking for, pandas. Just grueling grind up. I don't care. Just keep going upwards. That's all that matters. Pandas. What do we have here? Pandas. Push! Come on. Trigger the trap. I know you want to trigger the trap. Stop. No. What are you doing? It is just playing games with my heart. Oh, push. No. What? Why? Pandas, I think I need you guys. Peace! Push! Give me your peace! Push! Pandas, push! I need your peace! Push! Come on! So close! You're so close! Why would you stop right here? Stop! What are you stop? Push! I need your peace! Push! Come on! You're so close! Push! I need all the P's, pandas. Every P moves the target by moves the market by 1 tick. Pandas, I need your P's. Let's go, baby! Pandas, thanks for your P's. I got my P's blown off already by the market. We made some good bamboo there. And looks like we're going to get stopped out right away. I would love to have a runner here, pandas. Are we going to get a runner? Is the market done yet? Or is the market going to keep giving us more gifts here? I think the market wants to give us more gifts. Yeah, I'm going to come out exactly at break even. So it doesn't, so we'll have that small possibility that it might take me out right at the break even +1. It might reverse there. It takes me out. If it reverses here, pandas, I'm gonna be tilted. If it reverses here, I'm gonna be tilted. It better keep going down. Oh my god. If this reverses here, pandas, I even moved my stop loss by 1 tick so this wouldn't happen. Pandas, if this reverses here, I want to go one more. Okay, I'm good. I'm happy. Good management of the runner. Let's go, baby. Pandas, your P's. Without the P's, I would not have got that final push to get that bamboo. And we're down 250. It's okay, pandas. We made some back. It's okay. 250 is nothing. That's what, 2 scalps. 1 scalp, you get 2 contracts. Easy peasy, easy money. Pandas, you guys have been amazing. And I hope you have an amazing weekend. Take advantage of BBM 80. Now we got BBM 80 to the end of the month. Take your time with your evals. Just make sure you're calm, calculated. I personally think it's good to get them early, especially if you know next week we have big news on Wednesday, CPI numbers. Good to stock up on them now and start piling up your trading days so you can get funded even quicker. And I hope you guys take advantage of that. That being said, Pandas, thanks for everything. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday, 9:15 for the mainstream, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. Have an amazing weekend, everybody. Restore that mental capital. Hope you have an amazing time, and I'll see you guys then. Yeah, hope to see you guys back here. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.